guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Ada, and I ordered this thing recently, and when I ordered it I thought it was so cute, so I had to share it with you guys. And of course I'm going to review it. This is what it looks like, and it is this cute kids like body, it's a body wash set from a brand called Bubbsi, and this is not sponsored. I don't do sponsorships anymore, but I saw it and I kept seeing ads for it, and it was saying that it's like really good for eczema, and pretty much all of my children and myself have eczema, so I'm like, okay, let me try this out and see if it works, and I can let you guys know if it works, if it doesn't work, kind of my thoughts on it, because obviously everyone's skin is going to be different. But they were just so cute. I think this one's a bunny. So this is their creamy coconut oil hair conditioner. And the one thing that I also liked about these and made me want to get them is that they have a money back guarantee. So if you do not like these, you can get a refund for them. You can buy refills for these, which I really like, because I love that you can reuse the container. It has like, I don't know, I think these are like kind of silicone containers. And you just buy the refills, which you can either purchase it through a subscription thing or not. We ended up doing the subscription because it saves money when you order your first order, but it also saves on your recurring orders. And who doesn't like saving money? But I love that you can do the refills. I can take the bottoms off, which we haven't opened these yet, so we're going to be seeing what the bottoms look like together. I do like that they're kind of sealed on here when you get them. It doesn't really have a smell. It opens really wide, so these are going to be like super easy to refill. This is the creamy coconut oil shampoo and wash. So this one you can use as a body wash and a shampoo. Is this a puppy? Do you guys think this is a puppy? What does this look like to you guys? This one is the whipped coconut oil body cream. Not greasy. Fast absorbing. Ooh. Like they don't really have a scent to them. And then that's what that looks like. That is definitely very thick. That'll be real nice. The little puppy or whatever animal that is supposed to be on it. And it is the coconut oil balm. And this you can pretty much put anywhere. And that is what that looks like up close. And even this one is refillable, so I really like that. Altogether, this was $88 if I'm remembering it correctly. I will put the link and everything down below if you guys want to check it out. If you don't, that's cool. Like I said, not sponsored, don't have a code. Just want to share this with you guys because I just kept seeing these and they're super cute, and I love the fact that you can reuse the packaging on these because it's less waste. It's less waste that we are contributing, you know, to the world. So I love when I can reuse containers. Aren't these super cute? These are just super cute. I don't know. If you guys had to say, what animals are these? I will give these a whirl with my child, because I'm probably actually just going to use these for my youngest child. And I will probably use it for about a month, and then I will come back and let you guys know if we're liking it, if we're not liking it, kind of just our thoughts and opinions on it. So be on the lookout for that video, and I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Consider becoming a channel member because that really helps me continue making content for you guys. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.